camera nyo dapat malaki. Okay? Hindi yung maliit, ha? Yan po, guys. So, dito, nung isinave ko ito, guys, kanina, naka-configure na lahat. Naka-configure na siya. Okay? Enter natin. May security measure na siya. Cisco. Yan. Then, enable. Class. Yan. Then, show VLAN brief. Ayan po, guys. Ayan po. Naka-configure na yung switch. Lahat na. Okay? Yan. Ganon din sa switch 2, guys. Switch 2. Okay, line. Okay? So, Cisco. Then enable. Enable. Then, class. Then, show VLAN brief. Ayan po, guys. So, boot switch na po is configured na. Yan. Kaya dapat kapag ginawa niyo yan, guys, dapat naka-up na hanggang dito. Then isave niyo siya para mas madali na lang yung paggawa doon sa next file. Okay, so it's already done na po, guys. So ang gawin natin, we will create a LAN media, guys, as a trunk port, guys. Now, sa paglagay po ng trunk port, guys, dapat outside dun sa range ng mga nagamit ng VLAN. For example, yung range na nagamit ng VLAN is port 6 to 22. From port 6 to 22, huwag mong gamitin yung port na yon para sa trunk port. Ang gamitin mo, yung available port na hindi under dun sa range na yon. So, ang available port dyan is port 1 to 5, port 23 and 24, at saka yung gigabyte port. Okay? But usually, sa trunk port, guys, huwag mong gamitin yung 23 to 24 kasi yung 23-24 pwedeng i-connect mo yan sa distribution switch or sa isang router. Okay? Then, yung gamitin mo yung port 1 to 5, guys. Port 1 to 5 ang gamitin mo. But again, you need to apply kung ano yung available port, yun po yung unahin mo na gamitin. Okay? So, from switch 1, okay, switch to switch, gagamit ulit ako ng crossover. From switch 1, I will use Fast Ethernet 1 kasi yun po yung available port na hindi under ng mga VLANs. Okay? So, I will use the first available port and that is Fast Ethernet 1. Okay? Connected to switch 2, I will use again the Fast Ethernet 1 kasi yun yung available port, first available port na hindi under ng mga VLAN. Okay? Yan po, guys. So, mayroon na po tayong LAN media as trunk port. Now, we need to configure yung LAN port na to, yung trunk port na to. So, punta tayo sa switch 1. Okay, enter. Okay, under switch 1, guys, ito po yung gagawin. Configure terminal. Shortcut, Kompleto muna. Configure terminal. Then after that, interface. If a 0/, ang ginamit ko na port is port 1. Okay, then switch port. Okay, switch port. Mode, trunk. Yan, guys. Then switch port. Trunk. Yan. Space, allow. Okay. Then VLAN. Okay. Then ilagay ko ng VLAN 1 to 99. Okay. So lahat ng VLAN under VLAN 1 to 99 pwedeng dumaan dyan sa trunk port na yan. Okay. Then enter. Ganon din po, i-configure ko yung switch 2, guys. Yung switch 2. Okay. Yan. Configure terminal. Then, interface, if A, 0, port 1, okay, then switch port, mode, trunk, okay, then switch port, trunk, allowed, VLAN 1 to 99. enter. Yan po guys. So, na-configure na yung switch 1, then switch 2. Ayan na, activated na po yung trunk. Then, we will do simulation na po guys. Simulation, show all none, edit filter, ICMP. Close. Okay? Then, we will test now yung data packet. So, ganito na gawin natin. Okay, PC1 to PC2, PC3 to PC4, PC5 ang kabilang niya si PC6, okay? Then PC7 kabilang niya dito si PC6. Then PC8 kabilang niya si PC2. Then PC9 kabilang niya si PC4. Okay? Then let's simulate. Play. Yan po guys. Okay. So, inuna yung magkakabilang in each switch. Then, sumunod na yung mga switch to switch. Yan na. Yan. Guys, so it's indication na successful yung transmission, yung data packets. Hintay lang natin lumabas ito. Okay? Wait, and click lang po natin ito. View previous event. Ayan po guys. So ito na yung last part ng video ninyo guys. Nasa trunk port na kayo, then it will display, nag-simulate na, then scroll down nyo lang ito guys para makita ko na successful yung ginawa po ninyo. And in na po ng video na gagawin po ninyo. Okay? So that's it po guys. So I already demonstrate to you guys how you will configure a VLAN configuration with trunk port and with access port guys. So ganun na. Okay? So I think ready na po kayong gumawa ng VLAN configuration, yung demo video demonstration, VLAN configuration of your network guys. But you must wait po na ibigay ko po yung IP address ninyo. Individually may ibigay pa akong IP address sa inyo guys. Okay? Kaya maybe next week or next week po may ibigay yung IP configuration guys, yung IP address. Kasi by next week I will give your grades, yung training grades po ninyo. Mag-distribute po ang training grades ninyo. Kaya i-minute nyo po ng block B, either Wednesday or Thursday.